Jit iki Miss but Mr. Amur Falcon. Daka jing tmu ban kintiu bat nang kam pinsong thu shu shapang ka jing pulia science hapring ki khinna school ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment meglaya mentaka sngi kala Pynlong ya ka science talent search program bashi sngi lenter halor kapang scientific milestone celebration for school eco clubs. Yakani ka program la Pynlong ha Auxilium Higher Secondary School nong thamai Shillong. Habekren bat ka DD News u Meglaya Program Officer Scste uba Layamon C Dingdo ulaong bakani ka program kalong haki arbenta kaway kade tinkering science project competition but kaway pat kade scavenger hunt competition.
So this program actually it's a program which is very exciting, should I say, because it deals with science, and we are an organization that promotes science in the state of Meghalaya. And today we have different various types of competitions based on these scientific events and milestones that, in one calendar year there are around 65 milestone celebrations. So we are working very hard for the popularization of science in our state.